Fellas, today we're talking about confidence. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be going over 10 tips to instantly boost your confidence. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number 1, you have to work out. Working out is the single easiest thing anybody can do to instantly feel better about themselves. It doesn't matter what you do. You don't have to go out and try to set records, run a marathon or anything. All you have to do is do something every day to exercise, stay healthy, and work up a sweat. Doing this alone will instantly make you feel 100 times better about yourself and instantly be more confident. Number 2, dress well and look good. You don't have to go and wear a tux everywhere, but you just can't look like a slob. You have to make sure you look presentable no matter what the situation, because you don't know what's going to happen every day. A lot of things could come up, but no matter what, you have to be ready to look professional and to be confident no matter the situation. Number 3, have some hobbies. Just something you're good at that you enjoy doing, and just take some time out of every day and do them. You don't have to spend every second of every day trying to please everyone else. Take some time to make sure that you do the things that you enjoy, and this will relieve stress, build up confidence, and you'll have some fun while you're doing it. Number 4, stop making excuses. Everybody wants certain things in their life. Maybe you want to start a new diet, go on more dates, start working out, start a business. The number 1 key to doing any of these things successfully is to just start. Excuses will stop you. All you have to do is stop making excuses, and if you start, no matter if you fail or not, failure is 100% better than regret. You have to start and stop making excuses, and you will feel better about yourself instantly. Number 5, stop giving a fuck what people think about you. Just be yourself. The only thing you should be confident about is yourself anyway, so why are you trying to please others? It doesn't matter what they think of you. Just, if you believe in yourself, what does it matter what they think? So just don't give a fuck what people think about you, and you will be well on your way to being a more confident version of your true self. Number 6, be ambitious. Have goals. Know what you want to do with your life. Confident people always do. You have to know your goals, know how you're going to get them, and never be afraid of them. You have to believe in them, and when you believe in your goals, you believe in yourself, which is confidence. Number 7, don't waste your time on bullshit. Sure, everyone messes up every once in a while. You might say the wrong thing, make the wrong person mad, but who cares? Everyone does. A confident person moves on. Don't waste your time on things in the past. Focus on the future. That's all that matters. A confident person does not live in the past. Number 8, take more risks. Sure, risks might be scary for some people, but not for confident people. Confident people aren't afraid. And I'm not talking about life or death risks here. I'm talking about things you want to do that you just might be a little bit too afraid of, like starting a business. You could lose money. Asking a girl out, you could get rejected. But in all of these types of situations, if you win, you win, and if you lose, you learn. So stop being afraid. And I assure you, if you're confident, you have a whole lot better chance of succeeding than if you're scared. Number 9, try eating healthier. I'm not saying you have to go on some diet or eat salads all day. I'm just saying try to eat things that don't make you feel like crap all day long. Things that keep your energy high, things that make you happy, and things that don't make you lazy all day. And number 10, the last tip, is one of the most important ones. Cut all of the negative people out of your life. If they don't believe in you, if they're always trying to hate on you, hate on your goals, your ambition, hate on anything about you, there's no point of keeping them in your life. If they're not bringing you up, they're just bringing you down. So if you have people like that in your life, cut them out. Sure, you might have known them for a long time, and it might be hard to, but trust me, in the end, if you cut these negative people and things out of your life, you will feel 100% better and be more confident. So those are my top 10 tips for being more confident instantly. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave some comments down below for different things you might want to see me cover on my channel, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at I'm Ryan Palmer. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.